Playtime with Links. Today we will open box of blocks. Today we will open this one by one.
Do you want to know?
Hi guys, welcome to Playtime with Links. Today we will open different kinds of blocks. First we will open the red one called Fire Brigade blocks, or little boxes inside of this big box. Let's get them out and count them. There's 1, 2, 3, and 4. That's what you have. Let's start with this. Now let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. There are 16. With these 2 pieces, you need a doll to help you. Mommy! Mommy! Can you help me with this?
Sure.
Thank you, Mommy.
There you go.
Thanks, Mommy. There we go, we're done. Now let's put these 3 go here. Okay, guys, let's go do this. There, now let's put the vents right here so that we can see that we can put these. There, we are done. Now let's put this girl right here. Oopsies, that happens all the time when I build that. Maybe we can analyze this. There we go. Ta-da! It's all done. Let's put this aside. There. Let's open this next. I hope it's another one. Wow! Now let's put it aside here. There. Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, Here we have the blue one called Policeman and Thief. Let's open it. Wow, we are only going to open only one box like that. We have 4 boxes in this box. Let's count them. 1, 2, oops, 3, 4. Ta-da! We're only going to open this box. So let's go open it, you guys. I can't wait to see it. I know, look at your face. This is going to be... Wow! It's so pretty. Let's put this right here. Wait to my mommy so that we can see it. There. Now we can unbuild it. Let's start building, you guys. This is a finished project. Now we are going to open the orange one called Building Constructions Team. Let's count them. There we go. 1, 2, 4. I'm going to choose this one. Okay, guys? So let's go remove the tape from my mommy. Now we are done. Here are all the blocks that we built today. I hope you have a lots of fun.